Hello internet, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will unbox a package I received from mail. This is a mini oscilloscope. Let's see what's inside the pack. Okay, this is an paper box, and a QR code is written here. If I open from this side, okay, I can see there is an oscilloscope probe. This is oscilloscope probe, and there is also an crocodile clip probe, a USB type C cable, okay, a stand, adhesive mount stand, and finally in a plastic wrapping box the oscilloscope. This is a mini oscilloscope. This unit is very small. This is the back side, and the front side is this one. Here is the USB port, the AC/DC key, BNC connector, and the power button. Okay, let's Zeeweii, and the oscilloscope is turned on. Let's see if we have any signal. Okay, and then connect this like this, and as you can see, there is a signal. If I press the auto button, the signal shown in display. The oscilloscope model is Zeeweii DSO 154 Pro. This is the same size of a credit card, small and powerful. The specification is 18 MHz bandwidth and sampling rate is 40 megasample per second. Thank you everyone for having with us. We will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.